versatile and commonly used in home settings for various functional and aesthetic purposes. They bring warmth and natural beauty to any space while also offering your durability customization. Just look at some popular wooden components and their uses in a home. Hello friends, welcome to our channel 90 Ideas. So if you like these ideas, please like the video, click the subscribe press like on this video, share to your friends, family members. Wooden furniture is a staple in most homes due to its durability and timeless appeal. Pieces such as tables, chairs, beds are often crafted from hardwoods like oak, walnut, and cherry. These materials are chosen for their strength and longevity, ensuring that the furniture remains functional and attractive over time. Wooden cabinets and shelving units are essential in kitchens, bathrooms, and living rooms. They provide both storage and display space with options ranging from sleek modern designs to more traditional ornate styles. The choice of wooden and finish can dramatically impact the room's aesthetics. For today's video, you can see here garden ideas and wood decoration. Wooden flooring adds classic and touch to any room. Thanks for watching, thanks for visiting, thanks for joining us.